So we are looking at B, B, A, A, B, A, A. Now, B, A, A, B, A, A. Now we have what? Bia, Bia, B, A, A, Bia. Now the next one we have here is Re, E, E, Re, E, E. Guess what? We have here Re, Re, E, E is equal to what? Re. Bia is what? Come. Bia is come in English. Re, eat. Eat. B, A, A, Bia. Re, E, A, Re. Come. Eat. Eat. Come. Now the next one we have here is G, O, O. G, O, O is what? We have Go, Go. That is what? Read. Read. Go. G, O, O. Go. G, O, O. Go. So we have so far Bia, Re, Go. Come, eat, read. The next one we have here is D, A, A, D, A, A is equal to what? Noun. They, D, A, A is equal to they. Right, right. They, Bia, come. Re, eat. Go, read. They, write. They, write. The next one we have is what? Ke, we, u, o, quo. Ke, we, u, o, quo. Quo, talk. Quo, talk. Say it. Say, talk. Quo, quo, quo. Now we have so far Bia, come. Re, eat. Go, read. They, write. Quo, talk. Quo, talk. Now the last one we have here is C, O, O. C, O, O. Now guess what? Which of the words do you think these three letters is made up of? Tell me. C, O, O. C, O, O. Now let's see. So, C, O, O. So, C, O, O. So, wash. So, wash. Now look at the words we have. We have B, A, A, Bia, come. Re, E, E, Re, eat. G, O, O, go, read. D, A, they, write. Ke, we, u, o. Ke, we, u, o. Wo, talk. C, O, O. C, O, O. So, wash. You did it. Bia, Re, Go, De, Wo, So. That is what we looked at today, and next time we are going to go more deeper in making words with Igbo alphabet, ABD Igbo. See you next time.